I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting sick of looking at super complex N8N and make.com workflows just to do simple automations. This software will kill all the need to do that. With a few prompting steps, you're going to become an automation expert. Link in the description if you want to try it out. What we're going to do is right now I'm making a database reactivation AI agent to text people for this medical spa that I've partnered up with to upsell services on. They're making a Google Calendar appointment booking SMS agent for medical spa. Then we're going to click done. And then it's going to start putting together. Look at all of this connected for me. So it didn't need to do all this. And obviously I can come through here and delete some of these integrations. Like mostly I see Google Calendar for the actual appointment booking steps. And then obviously I need to connect to Gmail as well. This is super nice because whether you're going to make this for yourself in your own business or for someone else's, all you got to do is come here and just connect your different softwares right here. So if I was going to connect my Google Calendar, I'd come here. And if I was going to connect myself, I would just click authenticate and it'll take me through the login process to connect my Google Calendar. But if not, if I wanted to get someone else's information because I was building this for them on their behalf, I would use this right here, the share link, copy it, and you send to them. And then when they put that link in there, it'll take them straight to inside your agent to where they can connect their Google Calendar. This is huge, super crazy. You set up all the different integrations you want to do. And if you want to add anything else, you come here to your actual agent here. And within this agent yourself, you can click any of the models. They have all the models, whichever one you want. If you want to be more token friendly, you're going to choose one like Gemini 2.5 or something a little smaller rather than using like GPT 5.0. So here's the system prompt where you can put the actual prompt for your agent. So as you see, it's super simple. You can use a different large language model to make the prompt even better, but all you gotta do is put it right into here and you're good to go. So it changes. So that's the agent itself. But if you want to add more to this integration workflow, you just come here and click this little plus sign. Here you can add a knowledge base. So this is where you can import script the website of your business or like FAQ section and come in here and have it all input into the knowledge base. If you need a more in-depth guide on how like AI agents work and like what a knowledge base is and all this stuff, let me know in the comments below. But this is for people that are a little bit more advanced that do have a good understanding of like how most of this stuff works. But here you go, come in here and import the website, or you can upload a file either way. And that knowledge base will just help the agent obviously work as more of an expert on whatever it is that it's trained on. Here as well, you can have different webhooks for other softwares and integrations that aren't in here. But if you wanted to add some other integration, as you see here, they have over 800 integrations in here. They got Calendly here, they got Discord, they got Google Drive, Docs, HubSpot, over 800 integrations. But if you want to like still make something a little more custom for you, like over the top experts, you can still come here and you can manage webhooks and add any other integrations that you would need for whatever it is that you're building. Perfect. So now that we have this here, all we gotta do is we gotta come here to click test and we can actually test our agent. And then based off of this, we can optimize it, make it better, tweak it so it performs how we want it to. If something we miss something, and again, we don't know how to do any of the integration stuff and we just want to keep it really basic, we can even come here and say, I also need it to connect to my Google Sheets to update fields. So we just asked it here to describe, we asked it to add something else to connect to Google Sheets so it can update fields. And we're gonna see what it does. Boom. Now it just added this integration for us. All these things, we can turn off different functionality if we only want certain things, such as like adding a sheet or something super simple. But then all we gotta do is come here, connect our Google Sheets account, or share it with whoever has to do it. Our agent now has it in its workflow and system, and all we gotta do is with the system prompt, we can reference it, as you see here, as all of the Google Sheets stuff here. We can reference all that, but it really is as easy as that. And also, I forgot to mention as well, we can create a sub agent. So basically another agent on top of this. Like say you wanted an agent that would just scan Google Sheets for certain things or scan all of your emails for something specific. You can have that connected to this main agent as like a little extra helper on top of it. So you can really make this as complex as you want to, or just super simple, where like just this, a Google Calendar, and then you connect it to the CRM or messaging platform of your choice. But I use I use Go Highlevel. You can track all of your conversations here in the tab and follow up with people and allow it to book on the calendar for you. A link for that's also in the bio if you want to check it out. We can even demo it. So you can come here to click demo and you can pick whatever agent you have and you can make it look at either like a standard chat, website widget, SMS. So say we wanted to see like what would the agent would look like in an SMS chat. We just click this and we call whatever we want, test. We choose our AI build, which is this one right here, create demo. And now we can go back and forth with this demo. Say I want to book an appointment and see how it works. What's cool too is you can come over here on the appearance and you can change it how you want someone to see it. Like if you want to add a domain to it, so that's why like what's like your, instead of like having the domain up here, you can add your own custom domains. Yeah, I have mine, demo.weamarketing.com. Then you can put a certain number of requests on it so someone doesn't like totally eat up all of your tokens and credits in the demo itself. But you come here, change colors. You can add a logo up here, as you see here. I can help with that. So now you can go to this and you can see what it looks like. But this is how you can demo it to people internally within your company, or if like you're working for someone else, to show it to your higher up, or like if you're a company or an agency providing these services to show, or like outreaching to someone, say, hey, look, I already built you an agent. Here's what it looks like. Which, if you see my other videos, leading with that value will get you so much more business. So this is super huge. Okay, but now we want to actually launch it. So now we're going to launch here, and all we got to do is just create a sub account for whoever it is. But you come here, you just click add agent, and all you got to do is like just enter the name for your agent, and then whatever, and then come here, you check whichever you want it for. So just click custom agent, and then you connect it to your platform, and then you just pick the agent that we just made. We just made this one right here. I don't know why I need to shorten the name obviously, but then boom, then you click create agent, and then it's ready to go. Really that easy. I basically almost built an entire agent over the course of this YouTube video, rather than spending hours of training videos and testing and different structures on N8N or Make or all sorts of stuff. It really is that easy. If you're not looking for anything complex, something that works really well, give this platform a shot. It barely came out yesterday, so be an early adopter. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Subscribe for more.